In this video, I am going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos on your Apple Watch SE2. So without any further ado, let's get into it. If you don't know, then let me tell you, Apple Watch SE2 has its own app store. So let's first check if we can install the YouTube app on the watch from the App Store or not. Let me open the App Store and search for YouTube. Well, there is no YouTube app available to download on the App Store. So this means that we cannot download the YouTube app on the Apple Watch. But wait, this does not mean that we cannot watch YouTube videos on Apple Watch SE2. There is actually a way to do so. There is an app called WatchTube that can help you watch YouTube on your Apple Watch. And this app is available on the App Store as well. The best part is that it is available for free. So open the App Store on your Apple Watch SE2. Then search for WatchTube. This is the app. Go ahead and tap on the Get button. Authenticate that it's you that is installing this app. And the app is now installed on your Apple Watch. Now go ahead and open the app. Like YouTube, the homepage of the WatchTube will get opened. To play any video from the homepage, simply tap on the thumbnail and then tap on the play button, and then again tap on the play button to play the video. So this is how you can watch YouTube videos on your Apple Watch SE2. But wait, the video is not over yet. Let me tell you about some important things that you should know before using the app. Like YouTube, you can search for a video or channel on WatchTube if you want. To do this, simply swipe left on the Home tab. Then tap on the search bar, enter your query, and then tap on Done. The app is a little slow, so once you search for something, then wait for some time to see the results. If you want to see your watch history, then simply swipe left 2 times on the home screen and you will be able to see your watch history. The thing that you need to note here is that WatchTube does not sign in to your Google account. Therefore, you will not be able to see the watch history of your Google account. You will only be able to see the videos in your watch history that you have seen using the WatchTube app. If you want to navigate through the video, then you can make use of the watch crown. Simply tap on the progress bar once and then rotate the crown to navigate through the video. The last thing that you need to note is that the WatchTube app is not as polished as the YouTube app. So you will face a lot of glitches while using the app. If you face any glitches, then simply going back and refreshing the page should work. But if nothing seems to work, then you should simply close the app and open it again. So this video ends here. I hope you now know how to watch YouTube videos on your Apple Watch. If you liked this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.